today. Sun or rain or windy weather, Tommy and Lily play together. Clouds or snow or rainbow too, every day brings something new. Raindrops falling, splash, splash, splash. Jump in puddles with a laugh. Wind goes whoosh through every tree, flying kites so happily.